Hola Limpier Familia! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Ugh, those stains are multiplying faster than rabbits. Admit it, you've searched carpet cleaning near me more times than you'd like to admit. But with so many options, finding the reliable carpet cleaning you can trust feels impossible. But fear not, fellow carpet crusaders. Imagine this, soft, clean carpets under your feet. No more dirt, no more stains, just pure comfort and beauty. Sounds amazing, right? But reliable carpet cleaning isn't just about aesthetics. It's about healthier home, longer carpet life, increased property value, convenience and time saving. Now, finding the reliable carpet cleaning near me that ticks all the boxes can be tricky. But don't worry, I've got your back. Here are some key tips. Number 1, check online reviews and ratings. See what other people are saying about different companies. Number 2, ask for recommendations from friends and family. Word of mouth is a powerful tool. Number 3, compare services and prices. Make sure you're getting the best value for your money. Number 4, look for experience and certification. Experienced technicians know how to handle different types of carpets and stains. Finally, ask about cleaning solutions and methods. Make sure they use safe and eco-friendly products. But why settle for just any service? At Limpier Cleaning Services, we're more than just carpet cleaners, we're carpet heroes. We're experienced certified technicians. Our team is highly trained and dedicated to making your carpets shine. Customized cleaning plans, we tailor our services to your specific needs and budget. Eco-friendly cleaning solutions, we care about your family and the environment. Open communication and transparency, we keep you informed every step of the way. 100% satisfaction guarantee, we're not happy until you are. Don't let dirty carpets drag you down. Contact Limpier Cleaning Services today for a free consultation and quote. Remember, reliable carpet cleaning near me doesn't have to be a myth. Let Limpier be your trusted partner in achieving carpet bliss. Until next time, bye!